Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to add your location on X, previously known as Twitter. Sharing your location can help your followers connect with you and understand where you're based. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon. This could be your profile picture or a menu icon located in the top left corner. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll want to tap on Profile. This section allows you to view and edit various aspects of your account. To proceed, tap on Edit Profile. In this edit mode, you'll find an option labeled Location. Tap on this to enter your current location. It could be your city, region, or any place that represents you best. After typing in your location, make sure to tap Save at the top right of your screen. And there you have it. Your location is now added to your profile. This small update can enhance your profile and help your followers know where you're from. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your social media presence.